Hi, I'm Jordan Dobrew, and like many of you, I love a good late night snack. So today, I'm here to show you how I make my perfect late night snack. So I usually stroll out to my kitchen and check the cupboards to see what we have in there. Then I realize not only can I not cook, we also have no food. So then I'm back to square one and wondering what I'm gonna eat. Then it hits me. Skip the dishes. So I put my order in, I go to check out, and oh boy, yeah, I am not paying for that. So then it's back out to the kitchen. I start searching through the fridge, and then the holy grail, a single slice of ham, the perfect late night snack. Then 10 minutes goes by, I get hungry again, and then I repeat this vicious cycle and go to bed. I'm Jordan Dobrew, and that's how I make my perfect late night snack.